position that you want it to be, you just tighten this back up and it will stay there then, okay? And you don't have to be built like an ox, it's just like, just
I was gonna say,
finger
because
tight.
that would seem like it'd be right in the patient's face if you do it straight up.
If you have it straight up, yeah, it would be,
Yeah.
but you tend to want to tilt it
Okay.
down a bit. Okay, so then just tighten that back up, it will stay there, okay? Moving on, so it runs off of mains power, so that's what this cable does. If you want to turn the light off completely, just hit the power button. And equally, you can turn it back on. If
It's broken.
there
Broken.
you go. It's just stuck. So you can turn it back on, mains power, we said that. The camera is then sitting on a pan and tilt head. So by pan and tilt head, we mean you can pan, as in you can move it left and right, and it's all very flexible. To tilt, you untwist this. The camera then becomes loose. If you let go of it, it will fall around, so don't let go of it, because it's quite heavy. And then get it at the angle that you want, and then just twist this back, and it will stay there.
And it
The
won't-
worst
it
thing,
won't fall off,
the
right?
worst thing that happens is
It looks down.
that,
Okay.
but it won't fall off because it's clamped on here.
And so we should never be removing it from there.
No, don't need to. And also you don't need to hold it as such. So with your other one, you would be like this.
Right.
You don't need to. Because if you, what tends to happen is if people do this, you will end up rotating it, you'll end up moving the camera, and the camera is screwed onto a plate which is attached here. So when you do something like that constantly, you're undoing the screw. So the rule of thumb is don't touch the camera because you don't need to. You should be able to get all of your movement done by holding this.
Okay.
Also with the barrier film, you can wrap the barrier film around here so it keeps it clean.
Apparently I'm having issues.
Some barrier film.
I may need some barrier film. Excuse me.
So yeah, that makes sense?
Mhm.
So that's tilting,
She's
so
a good
tilting,
one.
moving it left and right. Easy enough.
Norby.
We try.
Oh. He fits right in with us.
I'm having you having a hot flash? Are you still filming?
Yes.
You're hot flash, okay.